This whole street is loaded with people. It's way more than I thought. There's gonna be a train coming here in about 5 minutes, and I guess it's just the excitement of being near a train as it's coming by. But I like the atmosphere because so many people have come here and are here now. That in itself to me is the excitement, is the people, and so all these cafes and bars, they got music. It's pretty fun, man. I came here, you know, thinking it was just for the train, but it's actually for the whole vibe, for the whole experience. I think it's awesome. So she just said that the train is coming to this line right here. This is crazy. Oh. That was crazy. Wow. It was a lot wider than I expected.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh.